ego death is the experience of losing the sense of a separate self or personal identity, often leading to a feeling of deep connection with the world or a higher state of awareness. It is described as a temporary dissolution of the ego, where personal boundaries and self-concepts fade away. This phenomenon is associated with spiritual experiences, meditation, and intense self-reflection. Many who undergo ego death report a shift in their perception of reality, feeling less attached to material concerns or personal achievements. While ego death can lead to personal transformation, it is often a difficult and unsettling experience. Now let's explore the origins of this concept. The concept of ego death has roots in ancient philosophy, religion, and psychology. In early spiritual traditions, practices such as meditation and asceticism aim to dissolve the ego to achieve enlightenment. The term became more widely discussed in modern psychology through Carl Jung, who linked ego death to the process of individuation, where individuals integrate different aspects of their personality. Other psychological theories suggest that ego death represents a shift in self-perception, often triggered by deep self-exploration or moments of crisis. Over time, the concept has been explored in various disciplines as a way to understand identity and personal transformation. Now let's look at some examples of ego death in different contexts. One example of ego death is in deep meditation, where individuals lose their sense of self and experience a state of pure awareness. Another example occurs during moments of intense personal crisis, where someone's old sense of identity collapses, forcing them to rebuild a new perspective on life. Some people report experiencing ego death during creative or artistic breakthroughs, where they feel completely absorbed in their work, without awareness of themselves as separate individuals. Additionally, extreme changes in life such as career shifts or personal losses can trigger ego death by challenging long-held beliefs about identity. These examples show that ego death can arise in both spiritual and everyday experiences. Now let's examine some strengths of experiencing ego death. One strength of ego death is that it can lead to personal growth by allowing individuals to break free from limiting beliefs and attachments. It encourages a broader perspective on life, reducing concerns about status, competition, and material success. Another benefit is that it can foster deeper empathy, as individuals who experience ego death often report feeling more connected to others and less focused on self-centered desires. Additionally, ego death can provide a sense of peace and acceptance, helping individuals overcome fear and anxiety about their identity or future. Now let's consider some criticisms of the concept. One criticism of ego death is that it can be overwhelming or disorienting, especially for individuals who are not prepared for such an intense shift in self-perception. Some argue that losing the ego entirely is not practical, as a healthy sense of self is necessary for functioning in everyday life. Another issue is that the concept of ego death is difficult to define and measure, making it challenging to study scientifically. Additionally, some people may mistake temporary dissociation or confusion for ego death, leading to misunderstandings about its true meaning and impact. Despite these criticisms, ego death remains an important topic in discussions of self-awareness and transformation.